Hey guys, this is the last tutorial that we're going to be doing for this chapter in SketchUp. So this is the hand-shaped building. First of all, I need to actually draw my hand, but I need to be in top view, which is what I'm in right now. And I'm going to need to have a couple of my toolbars here. So I need my large tool set, and I'll also need my views tool set. First thing I need to do is draw a rectangle. So this is going to be the base of my hand, and I'm actually just going to draw this rectangle. It doesn't really matter the size, just make sure that you have it. So it's not actually going to be a rectangle, you want it to say square. So there we go, square. Alright, so this is going to be the palm of the hand that I am creating. I'm going to go ahead and shift this up a little bit. Now you have a hand, you need fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a finger on here. So if you take a look at your fingers are long, so that you should have a long finger there. You're going to go ahead and put a semicircle on top of it. So click your two endpoints and pull up. You want it to say half circle. So go ahead and click it once it says half circle, and there you have your first finger, or your pinky as you will. I'm going to go ahead and erase the lines on my finger so I have a solid piece here, and I'm actually going to make a copy of this finger. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I select the whole finger. I've got the little dots in there that tells me that it's going to be moved, or it is selected. I'm going to go ahead and click my move tool, hold down control, and I'm actually just going to take my finger and move it all the way to the other side, the opposite end. Alright, from there I can actually hit 3 and divide. So if you look at my bottom left hand corner, I've just typed in 3, divide, and enter, and that adds in my other fingers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the curvy part of my hand, because your hands are not boxy, that's for sure. So I am going to use a semicircle again. So go ahead and click. Make sure you're clicking on the bottom of the first finger and the bottom of the last finger, and then pull up just a little bit. So you want it to be kind of shallow. Pull up just a little bit in between the fingers, and then once you've placed it, it'll fill in on the inside. And that's the first few steps in our hand. Next step will be working on making the fingers and the palm look more like a finger and palm.